Hey, what's up, Tron coin holder? What's going on this time? In last 3 days, as you can see, my friend, the Tron coin price will pumps up. So definitely, my friend, it's really good news for all Tron coin holder. 2.24%, my friend, the price will pumps up. So definitely, it's not a short pump, my friend. It's really huge pump, and definitely when a holder are starting holding, when a holder are starting buying. So definitely the price will increase. But this time, my friends, the Tron will take a very huge jump now. So I can't expect this, my friend. But definitely after fails, every coin will wake up. So therefore, this is true, my friends, to last 24 hours. As you can see, my friend, the last 24 hour reason is going not good. But definitely after a jump, I tell you to also they were fails down. So therefore, Tron were fails down. This is temporary fails. I am 100% sure to upcoming term. Tron will completely go to the moon and get a very huge pump. But for that, if you want to get a profit, my friends, you will need to follow my advice. You will need to do this what I tell you. I hope, my friend, you will earn a lot of money and you will get a very good profit. My friend, in upcoming times, you know there is 100% chance the Tron coin price will pump up. Why I tell you this? Because, my brother, in upcoming times the price will completely go to the moon. Because in last 10 days, every month, every coin holder completely go to the moon, and every holder are starting holding and starting investing. So the market cap is increasing, and my friend, when the market cap is increasing, so 100%, my friend, the price will pump up. So therefore, my personal advice for all of you to please hold down, don't start selling. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time Tron will give you a very good profit. So see you next time, holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.